Okay, you've seen those gorgeous spiral mandalas, and you've probably heard the word Zentangle floating around. But are they the same thing? Or are we all just faking it till we make it? I'm about to break down the surprisingly big difference between the two. What is a mandala really? Let's start with mandalas. Most people think they're just pretty circular designs, but they're actually rooted in ancient spiritual practices from Buddhism and Hinduism. The word mandala literally means circle in Sanskrit, but it represents way more. It's about unity, wholeness, and balance. That's why everything radiates out from a center point in perfect symmetry. Today, you'll find them in coloring books, tattoos, even yoga studios, because they're powerful tools for mindfulness. So, what is Zentangle? Now, Zentangle might look like doodling, but trust me, it's way more intentional than that. Zentangle is a trademark method developed by Rick Roberts and Maria Thomas, built around structured patterns called tangles, like these. You don't need to plan, erase, or stress. Just draw one stroke at a time. It's meant to be relaxing, meditative, and accessible to everyone, even if you think you can't draw. So, what's the difference? Here's the key. Mandalas are about symmetry and precision. Zentangles are organic, flowing, and unplanned. Mandalas equals balance. Zentangle equals freedom. One is geometry, and the other is jazz. So, whether you vibe with the symmetry of mandalas or the spontaneity of Zentangle, or want to try both, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, sub, and hit that bell icon. Please comment and share too, as it lets YouTube know that my content is worth sharing with new audiences. Also, if you could answer in the comments, are you team mandala? Or are you team Zentangle?
With gentle strokes, the journey starts. A canvas blooms from simple arts. In tranquil lines, your Zen unfolds.